Hello everybody, my name is Nick and you're watching for the Leet unboxing video for the Aputure Amaran AL-M9. When we open the box, here we have this carrying case, very nice. Here we have a clip to mount it onto a backpack or just pretty much anything onto your belt. In this pocket here we have the power cable, charging cable. This is the mount for the hot sheet mount. Then here we have two gels, blue and yellow, in order to give us warmer or colder color. And then here we have the reflector itself. Okay, so to go over the specifications, when it comes to the color temperature, this gives out 5500 kelvins plus minus 200 kelvins. CRI rating and TLCI rating is 95 or higher. When it comes to the luminance, at 0.3 meters it gives out 900 luxes, at 1 meter it gives out 80 luxes. When it comes to a number of LED diodes, you have one here, one here, one here, 3 here and 3 here. So in total 9 LED diodes. When it comes to the battery, it has 1800 mAh battery, which can last a maximum of 1.75 hours. And when it comes to the dimensions, it's 87 by 56 by 11 millimeters, which means that this is extremely small reflector. When it comes to the weight, it's only 140 grams. Now, who is this reflector for? Well, primarily, if you want just something that will fill out shadows, then this is a pretty good option, especially if you need to hide it somewhere in the frame or very near. Also, you have a lot of effects in this, so that's very useful as well. Now, when it comes to filming with your smartphone, then this is definitely a great option, and also as a way to just help your AF on your camera to just work a little bit better. For those types of shoots and those types of applications, this is definitely a great option. When it comes to the gels that we get here, it's very easy to mount them. You just place it like so, and then this snaps into place with the magnet, so that's very useful, and it's pretty easy to take them off as well. You're watching for Leet. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.